It's Tuesday, January the 14th, 2020. We got a pretty good rain here last Friday night, 4 or 5 inches. First time out off the rain. Looks like I'm a little bit early. Everything looks kind of cloudy, except for real shallow spots. Just walked up on this one. Got a little better phone now, so I can make longer videos. Anyway, there she is. Hopefully that ear's on there. Not a superb piece, but my first piece of 2020. Kind of strikes me as a little Snyder point. It's January the 15th, 2020. We got a lot of rain here last Friday, 4 or 5 inches. And believe it or not, I'm still early, and this is Wednesday. I just walked up on a little point. Looks like it might be a nice little one. Right there. Looks like another little stemmed woodland point. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a hell. If I find anything else, I'll make another video. January 20th, scratch that, January the 15th, 2020. Just found that little stemmed woodland point. It wasn't 10 yards later, I walked up on something that looks like it might be a little nicer point. This one looks archaic anyway. I've been laying on that edge for a long time, exposed, just that much exposed. Washed her out. It's a little more like it. I'm always out here looking for what I deem to be a caseable point. You know, you go out and find commons and beat up points. But I like to have something to actually put in the frame and display. Anyway, I'm gonna get back at it. January 15, 2020. I just spotted another one. That archaic point I just picked up on the bank. I just walked up on this little guy about 2-3 steps from it. Woodland again. More of a common point. But I looked over here. Let's see if look at that laying down in there. I don't find too many blunts. That's what that is. Very nice. Anyway, hopefully I'll get back with you. Bigger and better. January 15, 2020. This is about 50 yards upstream from where I just found them 3 or 4. hooked up on this guy. Ooh. That's some oddball stuff there. They're knocked off, but I don't know what the hell that thing's called. I'd like to see it with them funky barbs on it. I'll do a little research on that one, but I have to guess that guy's archaic. Interesting. January 15th, 2020. Hadn't found nothing since that arcade point. Walked quite a while. I think that thing might be in Evans, but I just walked up on one. Looks like it's got a busted base on it. Like it'd have been a nice Burlington Creek stained orange. Etley. At least that's what it looks like to me. Heading back, gonna hit a little trib on the way out. January 15th, 2020. It's been a while since I picked up that Etley with the snap base on it, but just walked up on one. Hopefully it'll be all there. And that trib I was talking about getting in. Damn. Pretty pink point. Got some damage down there on the base, as you can see. I don't know if it'd be archaic or woodland. Signing off, Matthew.